Here I've got LG Velvet, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select digital wellbeing and parental controls, and here just click on show your data under your digital wellbeing tools. And here you've got 1 hour and 29 minutes, this is for today. If you click here again, you will be able to check detailed stats for example, screen time, notification receipts, or times open. But I would like to stay with screen time. You can check the weeks and days. And a bit lower, you've got particular apps. So for example, mobile legends were in use for 23 minutes. And this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.